Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you doing? I hope you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. Okay, it's your science class. Now dear students, get your science book. This is chapter number 1 and the title of chapter number 1 is plants. Dear students, what are plants? Plants are living things. Like all living things, plants also need to reproduce. Dear students, in our previous class we have discussed that why do plants reproduce and parts of seeds. Today we are going to discuss about the germination of seed. Before going toward this topic, let's see what is the germination. What is the definition of germination? In the presence of air, water and warmth, पानी, हवा और गर्माइश की presence में, a seed will grow into a young plant called seedling. This is seed and it grow into a young plant and this is called seedling. So students, this process is known as germination. So this process in which seed grow from small seeds to the adult plant, this process is called germination. Again, in which the seed germinate, grow into the adult plant, this process is called germination. So students, remember this definition. Let's look the how a seed germination. Here is the picture in which the seed germination is occur. Here is the seed. With air, water and warmth, a seed can start germinating. Here is the seed who is going to start germinate. Some roots are originate from these seeds. Now, shoot appears the seed leaves provide the seedling. What is shoot? Shoot is basically the upper part. So now shoots are going to appear. Here are leaves that are appear on the seed. Next, leaves starts making food. The seed coat fails off as the seed leaves have been exhausted. So student, here is the leaves that start making their food because leaves are the food factory for plants. In the presence of sunlight, plant is prepared in these leaves. Now this is your adult plant. So the young plant has grown into a adult plant. Here is young plant, chota poda. Now this young plant is grow into the adult plant, and this adult plant contain different parts just like flower, fruit, leaves, stem, roots. So student, this process is called germination. Let's move toward the questions of germination. Here is task number 1. Define germination. This is your short question. So note this question on your notebook as your homework. Define germination. The seed grow into a young plant through a process called germination. What are the conditions for seed germination? Number 1, air. Number 2, water. Warmth are the condition for the germination. Task number 2. This is your long question. Describe the process of germination. So you have to write this paragraph, the process of germination. This paragraph as your answer in this question. And draw this diagram also because this diagram show the whole process of germination. Let's move toward the next topic. How do flowers help in plant reproduction? Basically, flower is the reproductive part of plant and it helps plants to reproduce, to multiply their young ones. Flower contain the male and female reproductive organs of the plant. So, the flowers that consist of two parts, two organs. One is male and other is female. male and female, and these are your basically reproductive organs. So the male part, let's know about the male part. Male reproductive organ is called stamen. What is the name of male reproductive part? Stamen. The stamen consists of stalk called filament and the anther. This is the male reproductive part. Look at this. I am going to circle this part. This part is your main reproductive part because it consists of stalk. This is your stalk, and this is filament that contains pollen grain in this. Pollen grains are the dusty substance found on anther. So this is your anther. So anther contains which thing? Pollen grain. Anther contains pollen grain. The female reproductive organ. Now let's move toward the female reproductive organ. This is green in color. This is basically, this part is the female reproductive part, and this part consists of carpel. Carpel consists of stigma and style. So here is your stigma and style. This is stigma. This part is known as stigma. This is style. And inside the style there is a ovary. There is a ovary. So plants seeds start grow from this part. So let's know about the different parts. Here is your filament, anther. Plant pollen grains are present in the anther. Anther is found on the top of filament. It contains pollen sacs which release pollen grains when ripe. So this filament, this anther contains pollen grains. The filament is the thin stalk support the anther. Here is the filament whose sport, जिसने किसको पकड़ा हुआ है, it holds the anther. The ovule contains a female reproductive part. Here is the ovule that is present in female reproductive part. Ovary contains and protects the ovule. This ovule contains an outer covering. This covering is called ovary. Here is petals that are beautiful in colors. So usually they are used to attract insects. Colored and some are scented. Scented means khushbudar. Some petals are scented to attract the insects. The style raising the stigma to increase the flower chances of pollination. So here is the style who increase the flower chances of pollination because pollination occur in this ovary. The stigma is commonly seen in the center of the flower and it covers in a sticky substance or allow pollen grains to stick to on them. So student, this is the reproductive part of plant. And what is this? This is flower. And today we have discussed different parts of flower. Two parts, reproductive organ, male organ and female organ. Male organ contains which thing and female organ contains which thing. Now student, let's move toward today's task. Here is some choose the correct answer for you. Please note this, choose the correct answer on your notebook. Reproductive parts of plant is called flower. The male reproductive part of flower is called stamen because the other are female. Let's move to our task number 2. Here are some questions, answers and definitions. Stigma. Here is the definition of stigma and this is also present on your book. Next one is flower and female. Flower that contain both male and female reproductive organ called perfect flower. What is perfect flower? Here is the definition of perfect flower. Perfect flower contains both male and female organs. So here is the definition of perfect flower. So you have to remember, you have to learn this definition. What is meant by perfect flower? Filament is the thick stalk supporting the anther. What is filament? Filament is a thick stalk. एक मोटी टहनी होती है जिसने किसको सपोर्ट किया होता है? That supporting the anther. The female reproductive part of flower is carpel, which has 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Number 1, stigma, style and ovary. And this is the basically diagram of female reproductive part. This is picture like just like this. Stigma, this is your stigma. Style, This is style. And ovary. This is ovary. Let's move toward our next part. Students, complete all the tasks that are related to seed germination and the task which is related to how plant helps in their plant's reproduction. Here is the task for you. Complete this task on your notebook, and this is also for your homework. So dear students, I hope you have understood the lecture. If you still feel difficulty in understanding anything, or if you have any questions regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I will answer your all queries. Complete all the tasks or homework that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework on school WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Take care, stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.